Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to episode 168 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Grits is a staple down here in the South and we love them any kind of way, from shrimp and grits to cheese grits. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make baked Southern cheese grits. They're going to be so cheesy, creamy, delicious, and you can serve this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even for a snack. Alright, you ready? Let's go bake some grits magic in my Southern kitchen. Alright, in my large pot, I got the fire on high heat and we're going to add in 1 cup of half and half and 1 cup of evaporated milk. Yes! And all we do is let this come to a boil. Alright my friends, our evaporated milk and half has come to a boil. So next we're going to slowly whisk in a half a cup of quick cooking grits. And you want to pour it real slowly so that way you won't have lumpy grits. And whisk until it's nice and well combined. Alright, next we're going to take a ladle and we're going to pour it into 1 beaten egg and whisk this together so that way you won't have scrambled eggs. Pour this back into the milk mixture and whisk again until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I have removed the grits off the fire and off the stove. So next for our final ingredients, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Can't have grits without butter. 1 cup of shredded cheese, and I'm using Colby Jack, or you can use any kind of cheese. And a half a teaspoon each of salt and white pepper. And we're going to stir all this together until the butter and cheese is nicely melted. Alright my friends, the cheese and butter is nice and melted. Look at that. Ooh, doesn't that look good and creamy and cheesy? Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to pour our grits into our ungreased square baking dish. Alright my friends, I got all my grits into the pan, and there's one more thing we got to add to it. Some more shredded cheese on top. Now look at that, doesn't that look good? It's going to be so good and cheesy. Alright, so now we're ready to put this baby in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 30 minutes until the cheese nice and melted. It's going to be amazing. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, there you have it. Simple, delicious Southern cheese grits. And I just took it out of the oven and it smells awesome in this kitchen. Look at that cheese just melted in there. OMG. What's better than the smell of baked cheese in the oven? Now I'm going to pick me up a bowl and then we're ready to give it a taste. We'll be back. Alright my friends, here we go. And I added some more butter on top. That's how we get down, sugar. Alright. Lord have mercy. Mmm. So creamy. Cheesy. I love me some grits. This deserves another bite. Cheesy delicious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!